Hello guys, we're random this prize off. Two free spots, PSA and the duffel bag. Uh, Here are the entries. We'll put them in there. Rub the dice. See how many times we roll it. My computer's running really slow. Bam! Come on. There you go. 9 times. That's how many times we're going to random it. One, two, three, four, five. How many times? Five, six, seven, eight. Ran it 8 times. The group randomizer. Tom is on top. Nick is on bottom. Time is 3:57 p.m. or 3:57, yeah, p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Good luck, guys. Number 9, Ricky gets a spot, PSA spot. Chad gets a spot. And Gary, you get the duffel bag. And Gary, do me a favor, send me your address through your private address, your address in a PM so I can send you the duffel bag, sir. And Ricky and Chad, all you got to do is send me a card that you wanted graded, and I'll put it in next month's submission. So let me know. I got to put start done in here, live, and all that crap. Hell, I'm getting old, guys. And